Hey guys, what's up? My name is Ronan Vico. In this video, we're going to learn how to have a log about everything that our Copilot Studio agent is doing. So basically, we can log at the Microsoft Azure in the Application Insight everything that the Copilot is doing. With that, if you have like an agent that is published at multiple channels and you need to check where is the issue, why the agent is not replying or something like that, we can have this log and easily find the bug and understanding what is going on. It helped me a lot to find a bug in the past. So let's learn how to do it. It's pretty simple actually. You need to go at your Azure account and have a resource that is called Application Insight. The Application Insight is a resource where we can save data to have metrics and insights, right? So we're going to create a new resource here. We're going to have a new Application Insight. You can use a resource that is already available. You can use one of your company that is enabled to use. You do not need to create a new one if you already have one. Okay, so I'm going to select here the Application Insight, and I'm going to select my subscription, my plan. I'm going to create here a new resource. Here we go again, select the subscription and resource group. I can select or create a new resource group. So I'm going to select like this one here. The name is going to be App Insight YouTube English class. The region, you can change the region. It will not change a lot because we just want to save data. So the response between the Application Insight and the agent itself will not matter to us, right? Because the delay do not matter to save logs. And so you can select any region that you prefer here. You select your subscription, and here we go. We can review and create this resource, and we can wait until the resource is ready to go. While the deployment is in progress, let me say that this is a paid feature. So this is a resource at your Azure subscription. So you need to understand that this is a cloud feature that you pay by use it. Now it's ready to go. We can click here, go to the resource, and at your Application Insight, you will have this connection string. This is exactly what we need. This string right here is the connection to save the logs. So I'm going to go to my agent, click on settings, advanced, and now I can click here on the Application Insight, and it automatically will send all the telemetry for your agent into an Application Insight resource. And here we can select what do we want to send to the Application Insight logs. So if you enable all those three, it will be a lot of data. So it's pretty good to find issues and errors. If you're going to log everything in the Application Insight at a production agent, be aware that it will be a lot of data and you pay by consumption, right? So take care. Do not use that for a long time. You should use that more for find bugs, issues, because it's a lot of data. I'm going to show you this data that I'm talking about. So basically here I'm going to save the nodes, execution event. So every topic, everything about the agent will be stored in the log, all the logging in the conversation details. So the user ID, the text that was sent. So that's good because I need to see the message and understand what is happening, what is causing the issue, right? So I'm going to save here. It's already saved. We need to publish it to go to the agent at production, okay? But when you connect here, it's already connected to the agent. What does this mean? This means that when I go to the studio, it will be already logging everything on the Application Insight. So basically, when I click the X here and goes back to the agent, this thinking right here, it's already a log that will be made. So if I go here to the Application Insight, I'm going to go to the workspace, not the instance itself. I'm going to go to the parent of this resource. I'm going to click here, resource visualizer. I want to go to the log analytic workspace. At the workspace, we have this app insight logging everything to us. Here, we can click at logs, and at the logs, we will have those tables, the app events and the app page view. So the app events, and we're going to have the time range from the last 24 hours. Here we can see bot message received, and this message received is the loading from the studio, right? We can see the topic start, the topic action, the topic end, and we can see every data about it. We can see the user ID. We know here this is on design mode true, so we know that it's from the studio. So we're going to know a lot of data about what is going on, so it's really useful to find an error. So let's say that any user sends a message through on channel asking something like what is 1 plus 1, for example. This message will be logged at the application insight. The topic that was just started will be logged. Also, we can see the answer, so we can understand what is happening through the agent, right? So if I refresh here, message received, we can see the text, what is 1 plus 1, and the next action from the agent after this one is bot message send. So it was not started a topic or an action or end. It was like a message received and a message sent, and we can see exactly the answer from the agent. So it's really useful to understand the agent before publishing it, and also after it is at production, you can check the insights and understand a little bit more at the Azure Application Insight. Is an option if you already have an Azure account available to use resources. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This tip helped me a lot to find some issues, so I hope this video helps you. And please hit the thumbs up, share the channel so we can grow up. You can become a member to help us grow the channel, or you can check the first link at the description where we have an affiliate link with a coupon code that gets you a huge discount on the best Power Platform courses. If you watch it to the end, comment out the word Apple so you know that you watch it to the end. Thank you so much for watching, and again, we see you in another video, in another class, and please consider to subscribe.